Hey guys, Garry Dean, Rapid Ride Rehab, Tampa Bay, Florida. Got a 2012 Corvette. I gotta fix this gouge. So I'm gonna be putting the pieces back together, plastic welding, and then painting this thing. So that's where we're at before we start. All right, we're back. Got my plastic welding situation out, and I got that thing all straight. Transitions are all rounded up, all loaded down with new plastic. And so now I'm going to sand it all down, put a skim coat of glazing putty on it, and then blend some paint in this corner, and then blend the clear. So I'll bring you back when I got some more to show you. All right, I got the whole car is taped up or masked up, and I got my blend area ready. So now I'm waiting for this to cure. Gotta give it 20 minutes. Then I can sand it with some 600 grit, get it smooth, give this corner a wipe down, then I'll blow in some paint, and then we'll hit it with some clear, and then we'll blend it. Almost done. Okay, I got the color on. Looks awesome. Very happy with the repair. Now I'm gonna spray some clear, and on the first coat, I'm gonna come about halfway up with the clear. On the second coat, I'm gonna come farther up, and then I'm gonna blend where you see these 3000 grit sanding scratches. Well, you can't see them, they're just really light. I'm gonna blend right there. See where the 1000 grit and then goes to 3000? I'm gonna blend right there. So I'm gonna bring my second coat of clear all the way to here, and I'm gonna blend right there. All right, well, I'll bring you back. All right, there she is, all blended out, looking amazing. Man, it looks good. All right, Garry Dean, Rapid Ride Rehab. You know the deal. 813-846-4406. If you got any issues with your car, I can take care of it.